is happening, Magnusites? It is time to do a fan unboxing. Looks like a couple of fans have sent me a treat or treats. Companies have sent them. Someone sent them. So let's check it out, shall we? Let's check it out. Let's see here. This one was sent to me by Michael Ferreira. Ferreira. Yes, by Michael Ferreira. Let's see what Michael sent me. All this damn tape I know you sent. God damn. You know what? I'm opening from the bottom. Fuck it. Top is compromised. There we go. Okay. It's a card on the inside. Squinky Toys and Collectibles. www.squinkytoys.com. Alright, so it appears he is a Magnusite who has his own business. And there is his info for if you like what he sent me. Let's check this out. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Yeah! You the man! You the man! Yeah! All Might! He listened to me. I said I gotta get me an All Might toy, and he has sent me the All Might toy. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Thank you very much, Michael. Make sure y'all all go to squinkytoy.com. Yes, squinkytoys.com. And you take care of your boy. You get your toys from him. Because that was cool of him to send that. Yes, I am here. All Might, smash it! Let's see, where can I put All Might though? I have like all the blondes over here. Let's see here. Maybe I'll move Ryu. Put All Might there next to Goku, because that's the kind of power All Might displays. And let's see here. I will put Ryu here in the middle of Bender and Super Mag. There we go. There we go. I'll put this there. There we go. There we go. There we go. All Might. All Might's got to be one of my favorite characters of all time. He really is. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much, man, for that. Woo! Now let's see here. What is next? Next, the box. Smash it! This one says that it's from Alma LLC. ALMA. Let's see here. Smash it. What's this? wrap this ball, didn't I? Look at that. It's all in there, boy. It is in there. This did not shift during shipment at all, the way they packaged it. I guess coming from China. What do we have here? Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah. Piccolo. Look at this. Piccolo, baby. Yeah. Yeah. That looked like when he blew up the moon. I think that's from when he blew up the moon. I think that might have been when he blew up the moon. Let me see here. Let me see what it says here. Okay, this is all in Japanese side or Chinese, some Asian language. Now, so this is part of this collection. And I believe it was someone else who sent me the perfect gift. See, it's from the same company. One of these days I gotta unbox them and display them on the mantle. You know what I'm saying? But for now, I'm going to put them here next to Broly. I know that unboxing certain things can make them lose their value, but I'm going to have to unbox them at some point and display them, I feel. Because I'm that type of guy, you know. I'm not really about keeping things boxed in. But I had to unpackage these and do my fan unboxing to show y'all what you sent me. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Let me see here. There's not a name on here. I don't know if this is the person's name. Hakuho Riku? I don't know. There's a number behind it. I don't know. Nobody's name on here. But thank you, whoever you are. Two cool ass fucking gifts. Piccolo's one of my favorite Dragon Ball Z characters, period, point blank. Got so much stuff now, it's cool. It's gonna start overwhelming my shelf. And I'm gonna figure out a way to display all these things, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I gotta figure out a way sooner or later. Maybe I'll do a separate unboxing there where I unbox like all the things that are boxed, but I'm not sure. Certain ones I want to keep in that box, you know what I mean? That collector in me wants to keep them in the box. You get what I'm saying? But the kid in me wants to take them out and put them on display, you know what I mean? Like something, man, like I'm really glad I took him out of the box. He's probably one of my favorite collectibles that I've gotten from any, and that I got that from Lutaku sent that to me. You know what I'm saying? But I love all of these. That's why they're all up here. You know what I'm saying? All of them. Everything else sent me I love, man. It's just, I always have to find a way to display them. But thank you very much for sending them to me. My UPS box address will be changing. I'm going to have to get a new UPS box. So just look for the address to change soon if y'all are going to send me anything, okay? It'll probably change sometime this month, just so you know. Sorry, excuse me. Post comments down below. Let me know what you all thought. If you enjoyed my unboxing, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. If you did not, you can kiss my unboxing. There he is. 10 million subscribers. Woo! You may now subscribe.